Kasama ho natin ngayong hapon ang mga anak ni Ate Guy. Please welcome Kenneth, Iko, Mater, Lot, and Ian. Maraming salamat. How do you want Ate Guy to be remembered?
They would insist. They would insist, and they would love to play around the house, and love to run around the house, and love to receiving gifts. And every time they think about it, it's always happiness, joy, toys, and yung short moments na yun that we've been together with Mom and the kids.
Pagmamahal niya po siya. Hindi lang po sa amin. Kung siyang anak namin, pag na-hospital po mga anak namin. Pagkasal po si Mami dito po matanda na, hindi ako makatulog. Kamusta sa siya?
With the body of work passed, that's already a legacy na she left na walang makakatakan. Sana lalo nilang maalala si Mami, talento at pagmamahal niya sa lahat ng walang hinihiling. And that she's grateful sa lahat na nagmamahal sa kanila, ng mga tagahanga niya, mga kaibigan niya. Started from humble beginnings, was blessed to become the greatest superstar.
I say thank you to Ate Guy, not only because para sa akin she was the most brilliant actor in Philippine cinema, but because she was a friend. And I am sorry that I was not always there. I am sorry, katulad ng sinasabi ninyo, kasi ayaw talaga niya. She didn't want to be fussed over. Hanggat kaya, titindig. At Ate Guy, alam kong nanonood ka lamang sa amin. Pero itong aming munting programa ngayong hapon ay para sa iyo.
Thank you.